How to create an account on Marvel Rivals. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can create an account on Marvel Rivals. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta open any of the search engine you have on your device, and then you gotta go to the search bar, type in Marvel Rivals and then press enter. And after that you gotta click on this official website of Marvel Rivals, and here you gotta click on this option that says login. So once you click on that, there are numerous ways through which you can log into your account. So you can log in using Steam, you can log in using Epic Store, Xbox Series X and PS5, and also NetEase Games. So if you have an account on any of these, you gotta log into Marvel Rivals. You can directly create an account on Marvel Rivals, but you can surely link your account. So once you sign in with any of these accounts, your account will automatically get linked to these. So for example, over here, we're going to log in with Steam. So I'm going to click on Steam, and then over here, you're going to sign in with your Steam account. So I'm going to type down my Scream credentials. And after that, you're going to type down password. Once you're done with typing in your account name and password, you're going to click on sign in. So once you click on sign in, they'll send a code to your emails in order to verify that it is actually you signing into your account. So just type down that code, and once you do so, you will be redirected to your Steam, and here you're going to click on sign in. So once you do so, you'll be able to see that your Steam account has linked with your Marvel Rivals, and you have successfully created an account on Marvel Rivals using your Steam account. So that is basically how you can sign up on Marvel Rivals or create an account on Marvel Rivals. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.